beautiful, thank you so much for being here, and if you are new, welcome, and if you love this info, please subscribe. Alright, so today, answer a question that I get quite a bit on my Retin-A videos, and a lot of people ask this because there's a lot of information online. So, you know, the question I always get is, can I still use Retin-A or retinol during the summer? Of course, if you are under the care of a doctor, do whatever your doctor says because it is a prescription, but retinol is over the counter, so I'm going to combine them in two because it's vitamin A, and they do a similar thing. They're constantly rebuilding collagen, they're helping acne, they're regenerating brand new skin cells, they're tightening the skin, they're helping with melasma, redness, all kinds of stuff. Retin-A, vitamin A is incredible, retinol is incredible, it's all the same thing, vitamin A. Yes, you can use Retin-A during the summer, absolutely, and you shouldn't stop. Think of it as taking your vitamins and supplements. You don't stop taking those, right? You take those every day, you take vitamin C every day, whatever supplements you take, or your medicine, or your high blood pressure, or whatever, you consistently. So the same is true of any type of vitamin that you apply to your skin, unless of course your doctor or your healthcare provider recommends that you don't for a reason. But there's no reason that you should stop Retin-A during the summer or retinol during the summer, because the truth is it's going to repair and rebuild collagen and repair damage as it's occurring that you're getting through the sun and the extra sun that you're getting during the summer. Now, of course, you should be more cautious in the sun. You should avoid direct sunlight on your face. You should have enough sunscreen on, which I've talked about in another video showing you exactly how much you need to put on. You should also reapply that sunscreen just so that you're just extra protected, especially if you're sweating or running or swimming or toweling yourself off. Just always be a little bit extra cautious because the top layer of your skin is brand new skin when you use Retin-A or retinol consistently. And think of it as a baby, that baby brand new skin. You want to protect it, you want to love on it, you want to nourish it, you want to be kind to it. So whatever you can do to really help yourself stay out of direct sunlight on the face will be really helpful so that you don't get dermal damage. Because if you don't wear enough sunscreen and you're using Retin-A or retinol, then you're going to get UVA light, and then that UVA light is what's going to cause the damage in the dermis. Retinol and Retin-A is doing is rebuilding in the dermal layer new fibroblasts, it's stimulating the fibroblasts to rebuild and to regenerate new collagen and skin cells. So it's speeding up that process of new skin pushing up to the surface. So why would you want to waste that opportunity? Now, if you're going to be, you know, really irresponsible in the sun for some reason, then yes, back off of your Retin-A. But I don't see any reason to back off of Retin-A or retinol during the summer. If you have any questions about this and you're really confused, like there's just somebody told me this and somebody told me that, feel free to do what's right for you, but ask those questions below this video. Remember to always stay gorgeous, and I'll see you really soon in a new video. Bye-bye.